Good morning everyone, Mike with TechTheLead. It's our first day here in Catalina. It's beautiful outside, the water is super calm, and we are headed down to the water because we are about to go scuba diving. This is my first time, the group's first time, and yeah, looking forward to it. They have a cool introductory course here that we can learn a little bit. We're going to test out the GoPro Hero 6 Black. Let's go over and jump in the water and check it out.
Ready to see some great whites. Let's do this.
We checked into our Airbnb, and now I think we're going to go grab some food. Apparently Patrick's found a really good fish and chip spot that a local recommended, so we're going to get some fish and chips. Let's do it. It's island life, guys. 85, thank you. So the fish and chips was incredible. Now we are watching the sunset over Avalon from this pretty cool viewpoint. Very, very pretty. Super excited to explore Catalina for the next few days and to test out a bunch of the cool tech that we brought with us.
Wow, that was awesome.
That was super
That
cool.
was so fun.
That was the best of the day.
Yeah.
Really high right after
Yeah. That was great. Thank you.
takeoff. You're welcome.